Hey guys, today I will show you how to capture a large monster in Monster Hunter World. First, make sure you bring the right items before the hunt. You will need either a shock trap or a pitfall trap, plus at least 2 trank bombs. You can craft these ahead of time or bring the materials with you. During the hunt, fight the monster as usual until it is weak. You will know it is ready when the monster starts limping and tries to flee to its nest.
Now's your chance to deal some serious damage.
Next, place your trap directly in the monster's path or near where it is sleeping. Once the monster is caught in the trap, quickly throw 2 trank bombs. If done correctly, the quest will instantly complete. And that's how you capture a large monster in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.